Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing great. In this video I am going to teach you the types of beams and the types of support. So there are generally three types of support, and these are pin support, or it is also called hinged support, and the second type is roller support, and the third type is fixed support. So as you can see in this picture, the support is pin support. It consists of two reactive forces, Fx and Fy. That means the forces are applied in x direction and y direction. So there is no movement in x and y direction. And in this support there are no moment forces or no moment reaction forces. So it can rotate, but it cannot be uh, displaced in x direction and y direction. The second support is roller support. It consists of only one reactive forces, which is Fy. So that means it can move in x direction and it can rotate, but it cannot be moved in y direction. And the third support type is fixed support. As you can see in this picture, this support is fixed in this wall. So that's mean that this support is fixed support, and it consists of three reactive forces, Fx, Fy and moment. So it cannot be rotate, it cannot be displaced in x direction, and it cannot be displaced in y direction. So now come to the types of beam. So these types of beam are generally based on the supports, how many supports and what type of supports we provided to the beam. that can be that can be make the beam different to the other beam. So there are some types of beam. First is simply supported beam. So as you can see in this picture, the support is, first one is the pin support and the second one is the roller support. So the beam consists of support, roller and pin support, and then it is called simply supported beam. And the second beam is cantilever beam. So in this beam, the first support is fixed support, and the second there is no support, so it is also called the free end, and the third is fixed end beam. So as you can see in this picture, the both supports are fixed. So the beam consists of two fixed supports, then it is called the fixed end beam. The fourth type is overhanging beam. As you can see in this picture, the support, there are two support, the pin support, the roller support, and but the member, the beam is not ended in the support, it is extended, and the third point is free end. So when there are two supports and the beam and the member is expanded far from the support, then it is called the overhanging beam. And the fifth type is continuous beam. As you can see in this picture, the supports are greater than 2. So first one is pin support, second one is the roller support, third one is the roller support, the fourth one is the roller support. So we can say when the beam consists of more than two supports, then it is also called the continuous beam. So we learn the five types of beam and the three types of support. The first one support is the uh, pin support, second one is the roller support, and third one is the fixed support. And five types of beams. The first one is the simply supported beam, supported at both ends and allow rotation at both the ends. And the second type of beam is cantilever beam, fixed support in one end and other end is free. No rotation and vertical deflection. Fixed support. At fixed support but can have rotation and deflection on the other end. No rotation and vertical deflection on fixed support, but it can rotate and it can deflect in vertical direction on the other end. Other end means the free end. So the fixed third one is the fixed end beam. In fixed end beam, both ends are fixed. Cannot It cannot permit to rotate or deflect on either ends. The fourth type is overhanging beam. So this beam extends beyond its supports. The fifth type is continuous beam. More than two supports are used on it. So hope you can understood the type of support and the type of beams.